Hello everyone, this is 10th video of the graph series and today we will be seeing how to find the shortest path in a directed acyclic graph DAG. In previous video we have discussed about how to find the shortest path in undirected graph which was using DFS. In previous video what we did was we created an array or answer array, okay, and we initialize each value with the int max and then we push the source vertex in our queue, okay? And then we check for the source vertex and their distance with the other its child nodes, okay. So this was the code, and in directed graph we will do the same procedure, we will do the same, only the difference will be we will create a topological sorted stack. Let's see how it will work. Suppose I have a graph 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And this is directed 3, 2, and 1. Suppose we want to find the distance between 1 and 4. Okay. So first we will find out the topological sorted order of this graph. What is topological sort? Topological sort is a sorted array or a set of vertices in which if any two adjacent vertices u v, then u must appear before v in that sorted vertex. That is, if one denotes two, then in that array one must appear before two. Let's find out what is the topological sorted order of this graph. It will be like somehow 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So what we will do is let's write what's our topological sorted order. Yeah, fine. What we will do is we will create an array with each size infinity. Okay, we have five nodes. Let's exclude the zero. Zero will infinity. So what we will do is our source node is 1 and our distance node is 4. We will find the distance between 1 to 4. What we will do is we will simply pop out the vertex from our topological sorted vertices. Okay. So let's pop out the first vertex will be 1. Okay. So our first vertex will be 1. So 1 is our source. So distance will be 0. Okay. And our second vertex is 2. 2. So we will check if the source vertices ha- uh, we will check if the vertices has value lesser than int max or not, or its value is not equal to int max or not. And then if that value is less than int max, then we will add that value and we will store the minimum. So the minimum will be 1 to 2, its distance was 3, so it's better than infinity, so we will store here 3. Let's see how we have coded in code. Let's see the code section. So this is the code of the topological sort using the BFS. You can see we have created a visited array for each vertices. I am checking and I am pushing the value, the topological sorted value in our stack. So same as the previous one, we are creating a stack. We are initializing every value. We are creating an array. We are initializing every value of the array with the int max. Okay, and now we are checking for each vertices. We are finding a topological sort, and if the topological sort is found, then we will put the our source as empty. Okay, now till our stack is not empty, we will just pop the value of the top one, and we will check if that value is less than or is not equal to int max or not. If that's true or false, we will get inside the loop. Okay, then for each vertices from that node, in case the first vertices was our start node or source node, we will check for every node and calculate the distance. Suppose we have the answer of value plus I dot second is less than answer I dot first. In answer I dot first, our value is int max. So obviously any value will be less than the int max. So we will store the value of I dot first as int ans value plus I dot second, and this loop will goes on till the stack is empty. Okay. Now at last we will print the required answer. Let's print. So the distance from node 1 to 4 is 6. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Thank you for watching.